Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to save pictures on iPhone in private folder. iPhone includes a hidden album that allows you to keep selected photos out of your main photo library. While the hidden album is not full encryption, it provides a convenient way to make personal photos less visible. Now follow these steps to save pictures in a private folder on your iPhone. To begin, unlock your iPhone and open the Photos app. Browse your photo library and locate the picture you want and tap the photo to open it. Tap the More button or the three dots in the corner of the screen. Choose Hide from the menu, then tap Hide Photo to confirm. Repeat the process for any additional photos, then open the Settings app. Now go to the apps, scroll down and tap Photos. Turn on Use Face ID if available on your iPhone. Ensure the Show Hidden Album option is enabled to view the hidden album from the Photos app. Return to the Photos and access your pictures through Albums, then Hidden when needed. Note, hidden photos are removed from your main library views and placed in a hidden album. Using Face ID, Touch ID, or a passcode can add an extra layer of protection to the hidden album. For stronger privacy, consider storing sensitive images in a secure notes app or encrypted cloud storage service in addition to using the hidden album. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.